Hello, I am Two-Headed Wolf, and you will learn how to be like me. Alright, this thing is the importance. You have to be scary and attack things when you're bored. Like this. For instance. Let me just do this. Anyway, you have to not be scared of anything. And not be hurt easily. Because that is not the rules. Oh, only. Well, you just have to act like a wolf. Anyway, put your hands. And you can speak as well. So cool. Oh yeah, you make new friends. Join the castle. Like, come on, Misty. Come on, Snakey. You want my TV. Get out of the way. Anyway, me and him are best pals. Anyway, let's go get the Minotaur. Hello, you can see me. Hello, now you can. Yeah, we three are the best of pals. Also, I like so many people from the castle. Also, I like the Dalek. Hello, goodbye. Hello, Mom, I'm on TV. Hello, Mom, I'm on TV. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Shut up. Shut up. I'm an idiot. I know you are. Shut up. Okay, bye-bye. And see you next time. For the next one. Wait a second.